Hey guys, welcome to another video. So I have been receiving some DMs about the my shrimp and broccoli dish that I made. So I'll be giving you guys a mini shrimp series because so many persons are interested in shrimp. Now, if you are coming to China and you really love shrimp, to make your curry coconut shrimp, you don't need to take a lot of stuff to make your curry dishes because curry is actually here. But if you love a specific brand of curry like I do, then you can just walk with your curry and so on. This is simple, easy to make, it is delicious. So if you want to see how this is curry coconut shrimp is made in Roma's kitchen, stick around right after this intro. Look, you want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook, recipe book. Okay guys, so here I have my shrimp, 1 pound of shrimp, and I'll be seasoning it with everything that's right here, but I'll tell you what they are as I go along. Now this is my orange seasoning blend, and the ingredients for this will be in the description box, so go ahead and check that out. I'll just be adding 1 tablespoon of this to my shrimp. Then of course I'll be adding just a pinch of black pepper, and I'll be adding some dried thyme leaves. If you do not have dried thyme leaves, of course use your fresh thyme leaves. And I'll be adding now a pinch of salt, then a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. I'll be adding just a pinch of cayenne pepper because my orange seasoning is already spicy, and I'm going in now with my Better Pack curry. I'll be adding to this 2 teaspoons of Better Pack curry. Yes, I like adding my curry now. I'm just going to move this around a little with my spoon. Then I'm just going to use my hands with the gloves because curry does stain. I'm just going to ensure that this seasoning is all over my shrimp, and this is what we're working with now. I'm just going to rest this in the fridge to marinate for 2 hours.
2 hours later.
Now to a pot, I'll be going in with a little olive oil. So my pot is actually over medium heat, and to that I'll be adding in some garlic and some ginger. You want to add your garlic and your ginger at this point because you do not want them to burn, and burnt garlic and burnt ginger is just not it, guys. Now I'm going to start the process of cooking my curry. So I'll be just adding my curry powder, 2 teaspoons of my curry powder to my oil right now. And I'm just going to use my spoon to move this all over the pot. And this is just to not allow my curry to stay one place and be burnt or to get really dark. So right now the garlic and the ginger is just releasing all that flavor, and the smell of the curry is just kicking, guys. Now I'll be doing this for about 45 minutes. I'm now going to go in with my shrimp, and I'll just be cooking my shrimp for 1 to 2 minutes just because I'm only cooking it quarter way through right now because it will be added back to my pot, and I do not want rubbery shrimp in the end. I just want my shrimp to get the nice flavor right now from all the garlic and the ginger, and remember a little curry is on it, so you want that a little cooked too. Now I'm removing my shrimp pieces after the 2 minutes, and as you can tell right now, the curry has become a little thick, and that is exactly what we want. That is as a result of the juicy shrimp being added to it. Now that we've removed our shrimp, we're just going to set this aside, and I'll be adding a cup of coconut milk to this. Then I'll also be adding a half a cup of water, and I'll be using my spoon to just stir this and get everything nice and together. Now the coconut milk is smelling so good, guys. I wish you could smell this right now. So to this, I'll just be going in with some diced carrots and potatoes. You can go ahead and add some beans if you have that. And look at this color. I'm just loving this right now. I'm going to be adding some thyme leaves to this, and I'll be adding some pimento seeds or allspice just to season this a bit more, get more flavor. This is looking so good. It's looking so thick and rich. Now I'm just going to stir this a little at a time, and it's still on medium heat, guys. Now I'll be going back in with my shrimp pieces to cook the next 3/4 of the way, and I'm going to be adding just a 1/2 cup more water to this and allow this to cook the next 3/4 ways through for about 3 minutes. So in all, the coconut milk cooked for 10 minutes. Before I added the shrimp, it cooked for 7 minutes. Now it's cooking for an additional 3 minutes. And look at how thick and nice this is, guys. It's looking good, it's smelling good. And look, after the 3 minutes, this is nice and it's simmering. It's still on medium heat, guys. It's smelling good. I can't wait to eat this. I'm telling you, you will definitely love this, guys. And my dish is basically finished. Now look at this goodness. Looks good, smells good, tastes good. Guys, you will want to eat this. Of course, guys, if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about this dish in the comment section, and let me know which other shrimp dish you'd like to see in my shrimp series. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share this video with everyone you know, and until next video.